Tales and Tales, the 2021 Summer Reading Celebration with Mobile Public Library. Register to be entered for a chance to win a family pass from the Alabama Gulf Coast Zoo. Track your reading to possibly win a Nintendo Switch with the game Animal Farm or an air fryer. Sign up online or at any Mobile Public Library location. There are fun programs for all ages. Family bingo, reading challenges, outdoor events, crafts, games, and more. The 2021 Summer Reading Celebration Tales and Tales, happening all of June and July. Registration begins May 15th. Find details at src.mobilepubliclibrary.org. Follow us on social media for updates at Mobile Public Library, at Mobile Public Library Children's, at Mobile Public Library Teens. Celebrate reading with Mobile Public Library in the Tales and Tales 2021 Summer Reading Celebration.